Oppo K10 5G mobile was launched on the 24th of April 2022. The phone comes with a 120Hz refresh rate 6.59-inch touchscreen display offering a resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels FHD+, at a pixel density of 401 pixels per inch ppi. Oppo K10 5G is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 8000 Max processor. It comes with 8GB, 12GB of RAM. The Oppo K10 5G runs Android 12 and is powered by a 5000 mAh non-removable battery. The Oppo K10 5G supports Super VOOC fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Oppo K10 5G on the rear packs a triple camera setup featuring a 64-megapixel f1.8 primary camera, an 8-megapixel f2.2 camera, and a 2-megapixel f2.4 camera. The rear camera setup has autofocus. It has a single front camera setup for selfies, featuring a 16-megapixel sensor with an f2.05 aperture. The Oppo K10 5G runs ColorOS 12.1, is based on Android 12 and packs 128GB, 256GB of inbuilt storage. The Oppo K10 5G is a dual SIM mobile. The Oppo K10 5G measures 164.30 by 75.80 by 8.73 mm height x width x thickness and weighs 205.00 grams. It was launched in black and blue colors. Connectivity options on the Oppo K10 5G include Wi-Fi 800 and 2.118 per gram NAC, GPS, Bluetooth V5.30, NFC, and USB Type-C. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. As of the 7th of December 2022, Oppo K10 5G price in India starts at 17,499 rupees.